Jonis Mambo. Fort aplaudiment, més fort. Gràcies. Des de la Universitat de New Jersey rebrem aquests joves grans campions, siguin al món del ball, i també uns grans aficionats amb la moto. Ells són Roger Tamara i Guillem i Rosa. fort aplaudiment a les tres parelles. Música, endavant.
Cell block tango.
Squish, Cicero, Lipschitz, Pop Six, Squish, Cicero, Lipschitz, Pop Six, Squish, Cicero. He had it coming, he had it coming, he only had himself to blame. If you'd have been there, if you'd have seen it, I bet you would have done the same. Squish, Cicero, Lipschitz. You know how people have these little habits that get you down? Like Bernie. Bernie liked to chew gum. No, not chew. I met Ezekiel Young from Salt Lake City about 2 years ago. And he told me he was single. We hit it off right away. Oh no. He had 6 wives. One of those Mormons, you know. Lipschitz more than I can possibly say. He was a real artistic guy, sensitive. The dirty bomb, 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 bomb. The dirty bomb, 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 bomb. They had it come, 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 they had it come along. Cause if they use, and they abuse, how could you tell us that we were wrong? He had it come, he had it come, he had it come, he had it come, he only had to live. If you'd have been, if you'd have been, if you'd have seen, I bet you would have done the same. Pop that gum one more time. 10 times. Merci summer 17. Artistic differences. Lipschitz.
Molt bé. Sergi, Anna, Javi, Anaïs, Roger i Tamara. Un fort aplaudiment, sisplau. I del fort de portuguès ens anem al ball més clàssic, el rei dels balls estàndards. Es tracta del vals pianès. Bravo! Molt bé, Sergi, Anna, Javi i Anaïs. Ole!
Porque eu não posso ficar sem você. Porque eu não posso ficar sem te ver. Pro swing da dor, relaxa o calor.
Com certeza é um compadre ótimo. Todo mundo por debaixo da cordinha.
Passa negão, passa loirinha, quero ver você passar por debaixo da cordinha. Passa loirão, passa neguinha, quero ver você passar por debaixo da cordinha. Vambora! Passa negão, passa loirinha, quero ver você passar por debaixo da cordinha. Passa loirão, tem que passar, quero ver você passar por debaixo da cordinha.
Essa é a nova onda que eu vou lhe ensinar. Por debaixo da cordinha.
Hay mil cosas que yo vuelo y veo, sí. Ver la luz es mi placer.
passem d'aquest ball tan rítmic i ràpid que és el xa-xa-xa a un ball amb un altre ritme, més romàntic i poètic, que és la rumba bolero.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and she's always gone too long. Anytime she goes away, wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gonna stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone, and this house just ain't no home. Anytime she goes away, I know, 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 I know. Hey, I ought to leave the young thing alone, but ain't no sunshine when she's gone. Only darkness every day. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house is ain't no home. Anytime.
Un fort aplaudiment a les tres parelles. Guillem, Rosa, Roger, Tamara.
I'm gonna ride a little and I'm gonna mail it to my lady Jane. It's a trouble little record, I want my joy today. I rode over the toll, they gotta hear it again today. You know my temperature's rising and my jukebox blowing a fuse. And my heart's beating a rhythm and my soul keeps a singing.
Ràpida parella!
I rode over the toll and I tell John Cosgrove news. I got the rock in the morning and I need to start a rhythm of blues. I come from running at the right, sitting down at the rhythm review. Rode over the toll and the rocking it two by two. Well, if you feel like it, go get your lover, then reel and rock it. Roll it over, then move on up just a bit further, then reel and rock it. Roll it over, roll it
Roger Romero, de Valls, Tamara Sommer, de Suïssa. Tenim Sergi Cavallà de Reus i Anna Giraldo, també de Reus. A continuació, Guillem Pasqual, de Segura Calafell, i Rosa Carné, de Cubelles, Barcelona. I per últim, Anaïs Fortuny i Javi Tamayo, d'Castelldefels i Tarragona, respectivament. Bé, ens acomiadem de tots vosaltres, esperem veure'ns molt aviat i que passeu una bona ballada de les festes majors de Sant Jaume. Gràcies a tots.